Now we are going to discuss motional EMF from Lorentz force. Consider a conductor PQ of length L is placed in uniform magnetic field B. Let this conductor PQ is moving with constant velocity V inside the magnetic field. This conductor contains a number of free electrons. If this conductor is moving with velocity v in this direction like this one, it means that free electrons are also moving in a magnetic field. And we know that if a charge q moves perpendicular to magnetic field, then a force acts on it, and that force is called as Lorentz force. And magnitude of Lorentz force F equal to qv into b. Sin theta will be there. Here theta is 90 degree because angle between velocity and magnetic field is 90. Due to this force on the electrons will drift or move toward the end P. And P will be negative and Q will be positive. When the end P becomes negative and Q become positive, an electric field will set up from Q to P. Electric field की direction ऐसे हो जाएगी. Now, if there any charge Q in an electric field E, then it also experiences the force. This is the magnetic force and this is the electrostatic force Q into E. Look here. Due to Lorentz force, the force on electron will be towards P की तरफ होगा. And due to electrostatic force on electron will be towards end Q. Since Lorentz force is stronger than the electrostatic force, the electrons will accumulate at the end P. The P will be more positive and more negative, and Q will be more positive and positive, and electric field between Q and P will become stronger. In equilibrium condition, जब Fm और Fe इक्वल हो जाएगा तो चार्ज की शिफ्टिंग बंद हो जाएगी. In that case, Q, I am taking small v here, Q Vb equal to Q into E, right? Q and Q cancel. Here E is electric field, not EMF, right? Now electric field E equal to how much? V by L. Here V is the potential difference, right? I can, or EMF I can write it as a E by L. ये E electric field है, ये E है induced EMF. Now V into B equal to E by L. That is E equal to velocity of the rod, magnetic field into length of the rod. Remember one thing, when you are applying this formula, in this case, velocity in this direction, magnetic field downward, L this direction, all are perpendicular to each other. ये फॉर्मूला आप तभी अप्लाई करेंगे जब वेलोसिटी ऑफ द रॉड, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड और लेंथ तीनों एक दूसरे के परपेंडिकुलर होगा. क्लियर? एंड इफ अ रॉड इज मूविंग in this direction, right, then what is happening, ये चार्ज, ये एंड माइनस पी हो जाएगा, ये प्लस क्यू. इसका मतलब ये हो गया कि एक बैटरी की तरफ, ये जो पी क्यू जो है रॉड एक बैटरी की तरह काम करेगा, जिसका पॉजिटिव एंड प्लस क्यू हो गया और नेगेटिव एंड जो है वो पी हो गया, राइट. जो क्यू जो हो गया वो पॉजिटिव एंड हो गया और पी जो है वो नेगेटिव एंड हो गया. दैट इज कुछ इस तरीके से बैटरी बन गई है। क्लियर? ठीक है, थैंक यू।